Deleting 10 seconds of an auto attendance. Deleting 30 seconds of hold time.
Thank you for calling. Can I help you today? Excuse me.
Yeah, I was looking. Y'all have a 2010 ML350?
Okay, so you're calling about the 2010 ML350?
Yeah. I was looking. It didn't have a price listed, and I figured instead of waiting for an email and filling out your form and everything, I'd just give a call. What's the price on that one?
Okay, I can definitely help you with that. My name is Who do I have the pleasure of speaking with?
My name's Robbie.
Hi, Miss Robbie. What's your last name and a good contact number for you, just in case we get disconnected?
If we do, I'll reach back out. I just really want the price. I don't want, a bunch of phone calls and stuff, so.
I'm pulling it up for you right now, but we've been dropping calls all morning. That's the only reason why I explained it.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. I hope y'all are able to get that fixed. Y'all use cell phones? Is that why they drop so much?
No, it's landline.
Oh, that's strange that you got issues like that with a landline. Bless your heart.
Yeah. And he said the 2010 Mercedes-Benz?
Yeah.
Okay. I see it right here. And it's listed at $8,977. Did you have time to come by and take a look at it?
And then how does your financing and everything work? Like, what's your down payment? Are you guys buy here, pay here? How does that all work?
Okay, so how that works is you pick it out, we work it out. So you pick out your down payment, you pick out your monthly payment, and we work it out from there.
Okay, and then is it in-house, or do you guys use outside lenders?
We have different programs that people qualify for.
Okay, and because one of the things I'm looking to do, I just finalized my divorce, and my ex-husband ruined my credit, so I'm trying to get my everything back up. Do you guys report out to a credit bureau, or?
Well, we do verify your information. So we do verify your information to make sure you are who you are.
Oh, okay. But do you report, I've been looking at a bunch of different places, and they'll say, if you're making your payments and everything, that, it can help with your credit. And I'm just trying to find a place where, if I'm going to be making payments, it's going to at least do something for me and try and fix what he messed up,
Well, yeah, that's us. We can help you out.
Okay.
I just got to get some information from yeah.
Okay. All right. Well,
information from me?
Well, I got a couple other calls that I want to look at. I was looking at a bunch of different cars. So I will reach back out if I want to move forward with this one then.
Okay, no problem. You have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye.